evening. My name is Ms. Ruffalo and I'm your child's Algebra 2 teacher. Welcome to Back to School Night. I'd like to show you the textbook to begin with. This is it, Larson's Algebra 2. They do have an online version available as well, and I'll hand out the passwords sometime next week. I have approximately 20 years experience teaching mathematics. I started at MAST 2 years ago. Prior to teaching, I worked as a mechanical engineer. I do have a master's in education. Students need for the course a 3-ring binder with paper and some graph paper, a calculator. I do recommend a Texas Instrument or any type of graphing calculator. I can teach them a lot of the tricks and shortcuts that will help them save time and be more accurate for the SATs and other standardized tests. Grading for the course. For each marking period, the grade will consist of 60% for tests and projects, 30% are quizzes and smaller projects, and 10% for homework and classwork. There will be a midterm and a final for the course. Work is posted as it's assigned in PowerSchool and can be accessed through Google Classroom. The course is honors level and it is a fast pace. This is one of the more theoretical courses your child will take, so expect them to be working at night, every other night at least, on their homework assignments. There will be homework that is checked in. Again, you can find that on PowerSchool if you are watching, and the grades go in. I try to have them in within 24 to 48 hours. Immediately with homework and a little bit longer depending on how difficult the assessment is. A typical class will include me going over checking in the homework and then reviewing the homework and going over any questions that the students have, going over the more difficult ones, possibly having a do now or some other quiz so that I know that they're understanding the work. We'll begin a new topic or go deeper into the existing lesson depending on how the homework goes. And I will allow the students to practice in groups or independently, or we'll just practice problems together. Primarily, your students will be taking notes at home in a flipped classroom setting where I'll assign some vocabulary or I'll have them watch a video and take the basic notes on the topics. This allows us more time to practice real-world applications and sample problems together in class. The class will be interactive with videos and hands-on activities, as best I can with hands-on activities until we meet in person. At the end of the class, homework will be assigned and there will be some time for them to practice. Again, whether it's just together as a whole group or possibly in smaller groups so they can talk to each other. Quizzes and smaller projects will occur every few days, and then tests and major assessments will be at the end of every major concept, what you might think of with textbooks at the end of every chapter. That's really all I have for you. Thank you very much. Feel free to reach out to me via email if you have any questions. Have a great evening.